Alright, so today we are putting the GKtech angle kit on the Zhitbox. Got it kind of laid out here to get a little look at it. Kind of looks similar to my old WiseFab kit in design. It is different, however, though. They do utilize the factory aluminum knuckles. So we're going to go ahead and get started on tearing apart this, which I've kind of already got in the middle of, and get everything installed, and then see what it looks like up on the air and how much angle we get out of it, and see if we can get the alignment dialed in. But I'm liking how everything looks so far. I like the subtle black. Just kind of keeps everything stealth, if you know what I mean. For a street car, kind of riding around with a big old light blue WiseFab angle kit from the front with this bash bar, I'm pretty sure I get pulled over pretty quick. But anyways, so let's get going. Alright, so we got the GKtech angle kit installed in the Zhitbox. Pretty easy install. Get a good little look at it right here. I kind of like how everything's black. Makes it all nice and stealth. If you were going to street drive your car with, for some reason, with an angle kit like this, it'd be kind of cool, kind of keep the car a little stealth. Pretty impressed with the amount of angle you can get out of it. For the dollar cost at that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and do a little demo of how much angle it gets, like from the front of it. Alright, so here's a good little look at the angle. The steering wheel turned all the way. Pretty decent. I think if you bought a knuckle adapter and the lower arms, it'd probably run you right around like 900 bucks. Most angle kits are pretty competitively priced with each other. Depending on what you're getting. Now this obviously is just the lower arm and the knuckle adapter. The only other thing that GKtech offers is an adjustable upper arm. Not required to run their kit. Other than the leaky ball joint there, the setup should be pretty fun and reliable. So we'll get that taken care of next. But at any rate, I'm excited to go test this thing out. See how GKtech stacks up to the other big brands as far as angle kits are concerned with Z33s. up, guys? Heading back home from the track. Had a pretty successful track day, which I don't have too many of lately.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The GKtech kit, I was thoroughly impressed with it. It's very smooth, consistent. I like the amount of angle. I mean, it was, I didn't spin out of the track, so it's a plus. Plenty of room for correction. So I had about 5 of my buddies drive my car today because they were having car trouble or weren't able to bring their cars out. They were just watching, and they all said the car was awesome, and it's pretty cool, all things considered. So the Zhitbox is a pretty simple build. The engine, obviously being fully built, isn't simple, but suspension-wise and everything else, it's really, really basic. So thumbs up for GKtech. If you were thinking about pulling the trigger on that, I personally have had PBM, WiseFab, FDF, and GKtech now, and GKtech it's good stuff. All these angle kit companies and suspension companies, they do a lot of R&D when developing these angle kits, and it shows. To be honest with you, it's just my preference. Some people might disagree, but if I were to compare my PBM kit to the GKtech kit, I would take the GKtech kit. I like the way it drove better. I like the fact that the lower arm is one solid piece. Makes things, adjustment a lot easier, and everything stayed in place, and we threw the car hard. So yeah, that's my 2 bits on the angle kits, and as always, you know, guys, stay tuned for more on DK's Garage. Got a lot of good stuff coming up soon.